Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Dengue is an indoor biter, so also the dengue mosquito is a multiple biter. And more importantly, unlike malaria, we don't have any specific treatment for dengue. It is the patient recovering by himself. We only give supportive care. The month of May, for admissions were 8 and total positive that were detected were 9. This was when there weren't any rains. So admission aren't actually any positives were 9 only. In the month of June, the number rose and it came to 29 admissions and 39 lab detected positive cases. Then if you see suddenly in the month of July, the number of cases increased significantly and they are 79 admissions. Mind you, from 29 in the month of June, in the month of July, 79 admissions, and from 38 positive cases, 91 positive cases were detected in our own lab. So there was a significant rise in the number of cases. In the month of August, the admissions were 27 and positive cases are 71. But this is up to 10th of August. So जर आम्ही जर पळयत जाल्यार जुलयान 19 admissions throughout the month आणि 91 positive cases, whereas ऑगस्टाच्या 10 तारखेकूच आमकां 27 admissions मेळटा आणि 71 positive detected. So we can definitely be sure that there is definitely rise in dengue cases, and therefore this is a humble request to all the people having fever for more than 2 or 3 days, having severe headache. तेणी बेगिनान बेगीन खंय तरी वचून ब्लड टेस्ट करून घेवचें. डेंगी, मलेरिया, जॅपनीज एन्सेफेलायटीस ह्यो केसीस रूल आउट करून घेवच्यो and get them treated as early as possible.